Check 1, 2. Kuule, üks küsimus. Kes teab paremini hauhiljudest kui mina? Okay. You will talk about prices, okay?
Talk about prices?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
When?
I will tell you.
Later or right now?
Like after a few minutes.
Okay.
Okay, let's everybody run here because time is up. We are starting now, so let's have a seat. Let's everybody run here. And finally, we have silence. So, are you ready for the live demos? Wow, you are ready. That's so nice, you know. So first, before we jump into the what is our plan today, I think that we need to start for giving big thanks for our so many great partners. And we start with Estonian Development Corporation. Let's give a big hand for Estonian Development Corporation. Woo! And how did you guys like our venue, Terminal 42? Woo! So, after 48 hours, we are here. We saw so many weird stuff Friday, yeah? So it's like so many things, oh my God, what's that mean, and so on. But that's the final countdown now. Now we see, can we manage to turn those things into reality? Or augmented reality, or virtual reality, or reality at all. So 10 teams will go and pitch now here after a few minutes. But before that, basically, yes, we have 10 teams, every team once more, 3 minutes. Those things what you see here is real stuff, done in last 48 hours. So, and so we have voting, and we have a jury for that, which will basically, which will I tell immediately. And then we have an after party. And I think that we had a beer as well. Did we?
No, we have champagne and ale. Champagne and ginger ale.
Okay, so we have champagne, much better. So that's the plan today. So please use Garage48 hashtag. Let's spread the word. Let's if you see something great, let's tell it to your friends. Let's do it on social media. Let's use Garage48 hashtag for that. So, and who is in the jury? So we have 5 people in the jury. So I'm one of them, happily one of in the jury. So then we have Peter. Let's big hand for the Peter. Then we have Sergey from Terminal 42. Woo! Then I think that Rain Rannu is still running here. Yeah, Rain Rannu. Let's give big hand to Rain Rannu. And then we have Maxim. Are you here? Yes. He's also like in the jury. And also everybody here can also vote for your favorite. So for that, basically go and like in Garage48 Facebook album the team that you like most, and this will be the winning team. This will be the favorite of the audience. But I think that so I will now give mic to the Karina, and she will talk about what are the prizes.
Okay, guys. I'm glad to say that this year we have a range of fantastic prizes, and our good partners they have given us. It would be VR boxes and goodies from Ubisoft company for one winner team. It will be Terminal 42 special prize. I don't know what is it. And also we have special prize for Livira. It's hoverboard. I think it's one hoverboard. And we have also demo ride on this fantastic VR chair, 360-degree dimension. I think all three winners, one winner team and two runner-ups, will have a possibility to not just look the video, but try this fantastic chair. And also, our partner VR Tigers will give the winners the tickets on the conference, Get It conference. And something special has team of the Garage48 for favorite of the audience. So I think it's a huge amount of prizes, and I hope every team will get something for today. Thank you.
The great news is that every team who has reached into the final is anyway winner. So in that sense, you shouldn't care too much about the prizes because, come on, you guys want to build winning companies. In that sense, this is your win, you know, that you have survived in these 48 hours. So this wasn't me. So anyway, and the good news is that, you know, I know that everyone you is already very anxious because you want to come up here and the show, and some of you will fail. That's the fun part. Some of you will succeed. But end of the fact that you will be on the stage is anyway a big win. So, once more, are you ready for the show? Whoa! Finally, you guys are getting energy. So the first team who runs up here and will show what they have done is a virtual lab. Woo! Run here. Here is a microphone. Please set up the things. And next team after this will be paper AR. So you are the next one. You have to prepare. Which means that as soon we are done here, you have to be ready to show your stuff. Okay? Yeah. So ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Oh. So hello. My name is Sergey. I'm from Virtual Lab, and I want to present our project. First of all, one more time. We start 48 hours ago, and now we have a project that I want to present. So, we want to show how we can improve the top quality learning process, educational process all around the world, especially in a poor country. It's main point. So, what's the problem? Poor country can't afford a modern equipment for their schools. So, we put all this equipment for school for teaching process in a virtual laboratory. So, how it works? First of all, we try to make the things cheaper. So we decide to work with platform like Android with cheap devices, smartphones, tablets, so on. And we use augmented reality to make laboratory experiment. So how it works? The student can manipulate with virtual equipment by manipulating small markers. So it's very easy to create, but it's only a first step. Virtual laboratory is first step. We want to provide a platform for open source. It will be open for every teachers, volunteers to create courses special for students with augmented reality, with our laboratory and another different stuff. But it will be later when we create a real application that trying to, как сказать, that we want to approve in real school with real students And that's it. Thank you very much. If you have questions, you're welcome. Oh, it's burn, it works.
So it works. Nice. So now is the time for the one or two questions or comments from audience, from jury. Does jury want to use the question?
So what was this red thing there in that cup?
Our chemistry can explain, I guess.
All right. What we have in front of us is actually acid and base reaction in which dangerous acids would not be directly manipulated by students, which can actually cause havoc. I don't think any parent would like the child to be exposed to acids. So that is why we are bringing this technology to preserve or prevent our children from exposure to acids, and equally give a cheaper option for children in most remote areas to access education at a very, very cheap price. So that is our intention everywhere, and we are targeting billions of users, not just thousands, not just hundreds of thousands, but billions.
Billions. Billions, okay. Do we have more questions, comments from... I have just last questions. And how many schools did you contacted?
We contacted some schools, we contacted some teachers, really.
Like how many?
Many,
Number?
it's about 4, I guess.
Really? 4? Okay.
I mean, teachers, real teachers.
And in
In-
Ukraine or in other countries?
Ukraine, not wealthy country, so it's, I guess, our target market too, so yes, in Ukraine.
Okay. Okay, let's give a big hand to the virtual lab. Woo!
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah, and please, team, come here because we want to make team photo. All people who was in virtual lab, please come to the stage. Virtual lab team members, come here. We make photo about you. Where is the cameraman? And there is the cameraman. 3 people, international team. And once more, big hand to the virtual lab. Woo! So the next team is already running here. Paper AR. So please, where you are, I said you have to already go and set it up immediately. And I will give you a microphone. This is your microphone. And after this team, we will see VR ideas. But first, Paper AR is putting the things. If you're ready, go.
Yes. Hello, my name is Mary, and this is our Paper AR team. We would like to present you our project for Android mobile devices that provide interactive instructions for any complicated thing in your life. Let me tell you a story about the guy who'd like to make coffee but wasn't able to do it. Do you remember any situation in your life when you encountered a complicated interface and had no idea how to interact with them? We'll help you. So, as a problem that we solve with our application, we built brief and constructive scenario how to interact with complicated things, interfaces, and so on. And we will be able to do it in the language you will understand. Also, we can help children to learn and absent-minded people or even people with dementia to not to forget about anything. We aim to B2B model. As our clients, we seek rooms that can use our brief interactive instructions to enhance visitors' experience or for entertainmental things. Also, hubs and open spaces can use our project, and technical and furniture manufacturers. Our team is 2 Android developers, designer and PM. We had no previous AR experience, but we came here to make something good. As you may notice, we developed our idea during first days brainstorming. So we will change the thing you look at things around you. Thanks for listening.
Okay, let's see how this... Same time, do we have any questions, comments from jury? Because we still want to see what, okay. Can we have any question, comments from jury?
So can you describe real quick what's going on in the demo? What should we see here?
Okay, so we figured out that the lights are different from that we captured our markers. So we prepared some demonstration. We scanned the QR code with the script, with the manual, and I showed you the recognition of well, a very simple color, black color, and this is the first step of the manual. So we've seen 3 manuals in 3 QR codes loaded in different loads of app. And in each iteration, I grayed up camera, and it recognized black marker and showed up first step of the manual. So there are also another steps. I have print. You can see it if you want. Pretty simple language to code your script, so you can easily just write the text, select the color, and get the QR.
Okay. Okay, may I see all the team now on the stage? Paper AR, let's make a photo and let's have a big hand for them. Woo! Thank you. So, cameraman will make photo about you. And the next team already run here and start to put the things onto the screen. VR ideas, please run here. And after VR ideas will be landscape AR. Thank you. But first, now we will have VR ideas. So microphone is here. So where is the team lead? And you are here. Assume you're ready. Go.
So yeah, Weld is telling the demo. I'm really happy and excited to be here and share with you all what we've built in this 48 hours. Yeah, so luck that it wasn't our demo. Yeah, so first of all, I want to point that VR Ideas is available on any device which has the internet connection. So you can use any wearable VR set, which is awesome. So basically, we've built a web page which allows you to solve problems in absolutely new way. Let's check what's going on in the demo. Clever Me created the script of my presentation, so it would be easy for you to understand what's going on. So yeah, we have here super cool visualization speed. Let's test it. You just say it, and we visualize it. You can pick whatever image you like and put it in your virtual space, available right, like this, yeah. So, what about our business model? How are we gonna make money of this? So, we've analyzed that USA has amazing freelance market, which is gonna be useful, like our tool is gonna be useful for designers, for copywriters, for SMM managers who wanna visualize it, the whole concept of the project, and share it with their client. This way, client will see the whole picture, maybe make some notes, because it's available to make the text notes in our app. Yeah, so this is basically the use case. And right here, we can see what mood board can they create with our app. It was a simple mood board created by me. You can simply drag and drop on those. And the one thing I really love about our app is that it's personalized. You can use it however you like. You want to plan your future here? Please welcome. You want to maybe memorize something? Use it as a mind palace. So, yeah, about our future plans. We are aiming in the next few weeks gain as much feedback as we can, and from you all also. So please visit our website and try it on. You can even kind of not have cardboard. You can use it like your phone only. I've done this in kind of 10 minutes, all this script, and it was so fun and so nice, so I hope you will enjoy it. And I really want to say thank you to our star team, which made it all possible. Two awesome designers, Mary and Vova, and the guys who made the shit done, tech guys, Feder and Dan. Yeah, thank you all.
Woo! Thank you.
Any questions?
Yes.
Really cool. You mentioned the word Mind Palace. It's actually a much better name than VR Ideas.
Thank you. We'll think about it. Yeah.
Do we have any other questions, comments from the audience or Chori? So, yes, we have one here.
So I just click the button on the headphone and say some thingy, and it is Googled and the image shows up?
Yeah, so you just basically, we can demonstrate it once more. You click whatever in the free space.
You have a button on your VR headset and you click it like this. My very cool idea. And it's currently processing it, and oh wow, this looks nice. Now let me put it somewhere special. Oh, like this.
Great. So may I see all the team now on the stage who was behind of that cool idea? Please everybody run here because we want to make photo with you. We'll give you this diploma, and the cameraman is here, and smile, and big hand for the VR ideas. Woo! Great. So thank you. Landscape AR is already running here and setting up the things. And after Landscape AR, we will see Shuishi Reality. But first, this is your microphone.
Thank you.
And let's hope that you are ready for showing your landscape solution.
Hi, my name is Andrew, and the name of our project is Landscape AR. It's a new HoloLens app that will help landscape designers to work more efficiently with customers. But before I go to business, I'd like to say a few words how it started. When we just came here, there was no great idea. So there was idea, okay, we have HoloLens, maybe we can try to train military people to shoot from RPG, or maybe use mortar. Oh, well, maybe it's not that great idea for HoloLens, but it was kind of interesting. But let's get back to the point. When we finally realized, okay, there's a market, there's opportunity. We contacted 10 landscape designers and asked them, what are their pain points? And they all said there's issues with communication with the customer. So we thought of an idea which will solve this problem. And we came up with a HoloLens app which will help you to visualize your ideas in a new way. You can place object in real time and see how it plays in space. So the customer won't have any questions at all. He'll see actually what you're trying to sell for him, what will be the look like of his yard. And in the future, there'll be more library items like fences, lawns, rocks. So everything that you need to decorate your yard or maybe interior design. So it's up to you to decide. We plan to sell this product as a box solution that will include the software, the HoloLens, and compatibility with different graphic formats. Why do you think it will work, actually? First thing, it reduces the number of edits from customer. Second thing, it helps the designer to work more efficiently. And the third, the company which uses this product will have new kind of reputation on the company among other competitors. We have now the team which is ready to work for 3 months on the first version of the app and search for investments. We think that landscape design should be represented in a more visual way. And now we give this opportunity to you.
Woo! Can you explain also what was done in the demo?
I guess there was trees. Yeah, a lot of trees.
I tried to decorate this room, but the surface is not very easy, like in the room. So I should tap several times maybe on the floor. But the general idea is to place any objects you want around this room, and you can see how it looks like.
Okay.
Can you step a few steps back and show us what you did from a little bit distance? All we could see was his shoes, and we want to see how it really looks. So show us something nice, please. Thank you.
Okay, you see that at the place of the scene, I created some objects, virtual objects. And this is flowers and trees. Maybe we can, in future, we can add a lot of different another objects. And you can move them and change their position as you want. In real time, I can show you some demo. This is the virtual buttons. So here I placed the new tree, as you can see.
Okay, thank you. May I see all your team on the stage now? Landscape AR. Yes, this is your. So everybody from the team should be here, and we are making photo. And Sushi Reality is already preparing to show your product next. But first, photo without VZ, with Landscape AR. Thank you. So, Sushi Reality, are you here already? So, because you are next now. And after Sushi Reality, we will see Millie. So, but first, the most interesting project, let's say that.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. My name is Daniel, and as probably you know, I've been in the adult virtual reality industry for over 2 years. I'm not going to go into too many details about what exactly I do. You can come afterwards and ask me. But the reason our team, Juicy Reality, is here today is because we believe that VR porn is the biggest innovation that happened in the adult industry since the VHS tape. So, fun fact, while we were here, within the last 48 hours, the adult industry made over $500 million in revenues, only in 48 hours. So let's step back for a second from the old days and imagine you're putting on your headset. You're looking at your favorite actress or actor, and you can actually walk around them while they're doing some crazy stuff. Now that's what we want to do. What you see right now is a very basic and simple prototype of a static, non-movable image, but it proves the point. It proves the concept that it is possible indeed. Now, the main difference here between what we have is that anyone can do it. Anyone can go to the store, grab a few cameras, in-depth sensor cameras, and generate their own VR content without the need of additional hundreds of hours of stitching videos together and without a crew. We've taken the liberty to contact some of my older friends and partners. One of them is Bedoing VR, which is one of the biggest VR porn producers in the world. And hopefully they're going to be our first beta testers, to say so. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for your attention. And this was Juicy Reality.
So can you explain what did you show and what is working already? Yeah.
I'm the part of a technical team, and we have two sub-teams. One of them solved the problem with positioning the phone around the no object, virtual object, and second team solved the problem with rendering, and they didn't get it together today, and so we showed both the past.
Okay. Thanks. Any concept questions we have? Yeah. This crazy Latvian has so many questions today.
Hi, so this was static object, right? But how do you plan to move from static objects to moving objects with this technology? Thank you.
So,
it's a kind of technical question. Yeah, I understand, not a business related. Actually, the movie is a number of static pictures, so we just join it together and make the movie.
The biggest challenge here is not about making the video, so which, as Mr. Sidin said, is just a set of images. It's about the two challenges that we had. Finding the position of the phone in relationship to the image, and using all the images that were generated in order to create an entire object. So the video is not the challenge, exactly to say so. That's the easy part. Not as easy, but still, it's the next one.
Well, I disagree that making video is the easy part, because basically with a traditional video you have one stream, and here you have 5, 6 streams of images, and all of them are uncompressed. So if they are all uncompressed, so they'll be huge in size. So it's a big problem how to compress it.
I'm gonna allow the tech team to answer that question.
Okay, there is a lot of technical questions in such a project. But anyway, the current container, for example, MKV supports multi-stream format, and it's out about, I think, 16 streams that are synchronized in time. So it's used, for example, if you watch the VR adult movie, they usually, not a VR, but stereoscopic or 3D 2.5D movies, they're all coded in one stream, in one container containing 2 streams video.
I think that's the same for live VR webcams. I also have some connections there. So that's what live VR webcams do as well. They stitch the videos live on their own servers.
So what's future? Can I eventually also interact with the actress?
I asked myself the same question before starting the project. Well, it's definitely in the plan. I mean, the whole point of virtual reality is to make you believe that you're there, right? So anything it takes to make it feel more realistic is part of the plan.
okay, great. May I see all the team? Choose Your Reality. Come here to the. Yes. Oh, so many questions.
Sorry, maybe I missed it, but what's the target platforms, and how are you going to market that? Because it's adult content, and you want pass on the mobile, it's definitely, I think. So the future of the marketing.
Actually, mobile is 80% of all adult VR content. 80% of all VR adult content is being watched on mobile devices, which I was surprised as well. 2 years ago, my bet was Oculus and HTC, but here we are 2 years later, and it's mobile. Marketing. The software that was designed can be sold as a service-based. So, a licensed as a service to adult VR content producers. But it can go beyond that. Yeah, that's why I asked. It can be used beyond that, of course. You can use it for anything you want, including e-commerce products or whatever you want to film around. Yeah. So it's not limited to the adult, but still, that's VR right now.
Okay, so people are so excited about that.
I'm glad.
Yeah, so, but once more, I want to see your team now. So all the people who worked in the Choose Your Reality, please come here. Here is your diploma, because we want to make the group photo. Come on, you had like a few more people. Let's wait them. The next team, please already start to put the things on the screen. Millie is the next. But first, a photo with Choose Your Reality. And let's have a big hand for them. Woo! Okay, so Millie is here. After this, we will see Argo. But first, where is the person who is speaking? Okay, here is a microphone.
Cheers.
Cheers. So if you're ready, just go.
Ready? Hi, everyone. I'm Dennis. This is Misha in Aiste. And we're Team Millie. We're a team that believes in power of play. And that's why we created a game that we believe will unleash superpowers in kids. And today we're going to present you a game that does not have any levels, that doesn't have any preconditioned scenarios, but what it does have, it gives a platform where kids can fully express their creativity. And now Mihail will do a quick demo. You want to explain?
Yes, thank you, Denise. So right now I'm starting app. It uses the latest, the newest AR toolkit from Apple that was released only a couple of weeks ago. So it's in beta, and we was working with real pain. I see. So let's have a look. Here I can render without any markers, without any help of other devices and my iPhone. A really nice picture of this chameleon. Oh, nice to stop for a moment. Let's see. It's so huge, and you can see how nice it is and how stable it is for beta. Also, Nastya has a controller in her hands that controls this chameleon in the virtual reality. Hey, chameleon, come to me. Don't be shy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Easy, easy, easy. Hey, come here, come here, come here. Forward. It's forward. Yeah. So stay. And we have a little game as well. So let's give this chameleon some boxes to collect. Nice, yeah? Boxes. Oh, landed on them. Sorry, we didn't see it. So let's how Millie collect it. And nice. Stop messing around. Let the chameleon take the boxes. Come on. Up, 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 up.
So, as soon as Apple will launch a possibility to upload AR games, we will hopefully tackle that opportunity. Cheers.
And
thank you.
All of this was done in 48 hours?
Yeah, it was all done in 48 hours. Actually, it has some other features as well, so if anyone is interested, you can always stop by our table and have a closer look. And actually, you can add unlimited amount of characters into one scene. So let's say 10 kids can play in one room. Everyone can have their separate character. They can move around, do whatever they like, basically. So that was the concept that basically we're going to give totally free hands to each and every kid.
So why do you need this separate device? Why can't you do it in all one phone?
There is no really need for the separate devices, but to the moment when it comes for multiplayer. So when the full room of guys come here and created their characters to play in the one one augmented reality with their own characters, that they need to have more than one device to control them. That's it.
So you basically have one screen, bigger screen, if you have multiple characters. So everyone comes in with their own phone as a kid and they play in one plane, basically.
Did you create this character during this 48
Yes, yes,
hours?
yes, yes. Yes, thank you to Naiste for amazing work.
Okay. So may I see all the people from the Millie on the stage now, because we want to make the photo without this creature. Sadly.
Maybe with this creature.
Can you?
Yes, I can. I can make a photo of you with this creature. You see this button?
Where's the team?
Yeah, team, please run here. But okay, let's make now the team come here, because we will make a team photo without the creature. And after this we will see Argo, but first let's make a big hand for the Millie! Woo! Thank you. So Argo is setting up the things now. I hope that say technical solution will work. This will be interesting. So this is your microphone. And after this, next team will be Vurum. But first, we have team here who is trying to show what did you achieve in 48 hours.
Hello guys, my name is Yana, and I'm here with my team. I'm proud of my team. We have worked hard. These 3 days, we have achieved a lot, but still our end product is to be continued. I would like to open my soul for those with whom I communicated all these days. You know, my mom was telling me in my childhood, Yana, collect not things but emotions. That I'm trying to do all these years, but still I have pain. My pain is is close to almost every girl, probably, but I'm shopaholic. Yeah, and my Insta and Facebook account is full of such a things as clothes and toys and places I would like to visit, restaurants, food, this everything I would like to try to buy. And as I grew up, I became an education of internet marketer, and my pain becomes even bigger because I see that all these people who has their business accounts there, they really need help. They need help of a good marketer, and we are here with our technology. We actually we will show you probably a bit later our new technology, which will afford people to take videos in a real-time mode with 3D effect. And in this way, we would like the people who have their business in internet, they would pack their candies in a really delicious wrapper. So we have spoken to our friends who have a toy shop, who have who promote in their restaurant, in social networks, and we will do such a cases, restaurant and toy shop or a clothes shop before our technology, and then we will give them an opportunity to become more likes and shares with the help of our technology. It's really a huge idea. I understand it, and our developers worked hard. And I believe that everything will be done, I suppose, in a month or in 2 probably. But still, we are not going to sleep. We will provide our friends with whom we were talking, and we will show you our end product. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Frank, everyone who spoken to us, who gave us very nice, huge help and advices. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. And my team, Ivan and Stas, developers, and we have a great designer, Irina. She didn't sleep these 2 days, and we have weeks. Thank you very much, Ocean. So, thank you for your attention.
Thank you. Can you very shortly explain what was the biggest challenges technically and what did you actually achieve? Very shortly.
Very shortly, the main problem is the performance of current video processing and trying to separate foreground from background. Actually, we are implementing algorithmic-based task that at the moment running in single thread without GPU and without any kind of fancy modern hardware, and we are vectorizing video stream in order to separate foreground from background. And actually, this stuff, it's have very different, can have different implementation and usage, including in real VR, because as we seen in different projects, it's hard to parse the video stream and trying to adjust it the way people want to see it. And basically, we have committed to implement live vectorization and separation foreground from background, but we didn't manage to do it in 48 hours. But we still done a lot of things, and basic algorithm is working smoothly about 20 milliseconds at the moment per frame. So it will be huge stuff and some kind of algorithmic-based problem, and fun for us as developers and challenge.
So what's the first place we will see it live in real life in use?
Probably, as we discussed earlier, we have friends in small businesses that trying to attract more people and expand the auditory for to sell something and to increase popularity in network, to be widely spread through the social networks and so on. And as you know, there are this kind of cheap marketing for friends and people who like this page, some exact page of a restaurant. So basically, if they will attract more likes and more visitors, then they, with the same money, they can increase marketing share of the current market. And but basically, this algorithm, we can sell it to anyone, and some B2B, some business companies can use it for different fancy stuff, such as, I don't know, Snapchat, something like this.
So may I see all your team now here? So we want to make photo. We see all the team members. Here is your diploma. Let me give you a microphone. And let's give a big hand to the team Argo. Woo! Great, so making last photos, but then Room is already running here and setting up the things technically so we can show your solution. Thank you. And after Room will be me in the virtual reality. But first, Room, where is the guy who wants microphone? This is you. Okay, so
hello.
Start it.
Tell me when you will be start. When we'll be ready. Okay, I see. Wow. Hi everyone. My name is Vladimir Krakovetsky, and I today represent a great team of Warlocks Graphics. And we built a real platform. It's an awesome platform for micro demos. So before, I wanted to ask you some very important question. What the most important things in the world? I think you know, it's your time. So this project idea coming from the Save Your Time in VR. Because all the company in the world going to be fast because user want to going to be fast, going to be getting faster information. For example, one click, yeah? So this is platform for short demo, and you can see this like a lot of game in display in VR, and you can play 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, and you can play for short time a lot of games, and there you can buy through VR. So for us and for you, this awesome platform for save your time in VR. Because who is the know in Steam and who want to play some new game? You have to download and you have to install and you have to buy and it's a lot of time and you have to waiting. So it's gonna be easy, yeah? But because virtual reality, it's awesome. It's a blue ocean market, and we understanding this. That's why we are building Vorum, and the model on Vorum, it's you click, you like, you buy. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And if you have some question, please ask.
So what happened in the demo? We couldn't see anything. Can you describe what should have had happened there?
Yeah, of course. Oh. Can you switch the... Yeah. So yeah, this is our teaser about 2 days. I don't remember. So this platform for developers, basically, yeah, and for users, you can first upload your short demo, and you can see this demo in the wall, and there you can play 1, 2, 3, as I say. And for short time, you can see a lot of games, try in the inside in game. So like, yeah. So then next, you can buy an inside, yeah, and you can launch very quickly. Yeah, it's a very awesome platform for save your time in VR. Now you see in the room, now you see a lot of games, and now you can just click in new game, yeah? So here is the stand, you can see this demo, you can like inside, and you can buy inside. Man, be careful, because you see this, don't jump. So, and another you can choose if you want to go return to the room and choose another room. And for 20 minutes you can play for 100 grand, for example. And then you can, if you want, you can buy in the inside, as I say, yeah. So this is awesome platform for awesome people, for you guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Any other question, comment? Okay, may I see all your teams and here on the stage, so we want to make photo with you.
Our team.
Everybody who was in the room, please run here. Let's see how many people you had. And next, me in VR is ready. Please run and put your things on the screen. You can already go and set it up things. But first, let's make a big hand for the Vorum. Woo! Great, thank you. So, who is now start to speak? Is it you? Yes, I will give you a microphone.
Thank you.
And after this will be No Man Island, but first, me in VR. Stage is yours.
Okay, my team. Are you ready? Yeah. Audience, are you ready? Yeah. Okay. My name is Edward, and I would like to present me in VR. No, we're not going to watch me playing VR stuff. We're going to talk about Mesh Editor in VR. and a little preliminary for those who's not familiar with this stuff. Everything you see in VR, the environment, the object, this is the 3D models, meshes, created by the artist with the professional tools, some like 3D Max or Maya. And with growing VR, this artist faced some things that they didn't face before. For example, for simple prototyping, they have to prototype, deliver it to the scene, and then put the headset, see this failure, and get back to work again. And we have a solution, the prototype of our product, Mesh in VR. So what is it? It's a set of tools which allows you to create primitives and simple meshes from the scratch by placing vertices that create triangles which can be merged into surfaces and poly surfaces. If you screw something up, you can just clear it out and start with a cooler tool, the radial tool, where you just have to place the cutting vertices, and just with one click you got the impressive shapes. Also, you can transform it, scale it, do whatever you want with this model. And when you're enough, you're able to save it and export it to the object file and work with it later. So for the last 48 hours, I think we did a great job building this from the scratch, actually. And I want to say thank you for my teammates who did a marvelous job. And I hope that we brought the complete idea how you can achieve the process improvement using our prototype tool, Mesh Editor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very cool. So when can everybody download it and use it?
Oh, I hope a lot of job is going. We actually asked several teams and several 3D artists, about 10 or 15 people. They said that they really want to use such thing, but with a lot of expanded tools. So I think we're going to work on this. I don't know. As our team grows, we can push up this product maybe higher and higher. Because actually we worked with one more developer, me and one more developer, and some consult 3D artist, marketer, and PM. So this was the whole team who worked for this 48 hours.
So next week?
I hope so. I'll be gathering the people, the developers, whatever who wants to join us. You're free to join us. Welcome.
Great. Any more questions, comments? No? Okay, then may I see all your team on the stage now, so because we want to make group photo. Everybody come to the stage now. Here is your diploma, and we will make a photo. And after that, we will be in No Man Island. So the next team, you can already start to put your things onto the screen. But let's make a first photo with me in VR. Let's make a big hand for them. Woo! And one more photo, guys. Nisha. Yeah, I know that, what that means. So, where is the next team already? No Man Island, are you here? Yeah. So, ready? Here is your microphone. And just go and take the stage.
Hello, Hackathon survivors. I'm Andrew of No Man's Island team. And I'm glad to be here with you tonight, and I'm glad to show you our survival sandbox game. Now I see tired but happy people. At least, guys, you should be happy because you can work on amazing projects without having any problems with clean water, with food, with weather, thanks to Terminal 42, and thanks to civilization in general. But still, there is a nature, it's still dangerous, it's still merciless, and maybe someday you will have to face it. Well, let's start, yeah? So imagine yourself on an unknown island. there is no friends to help. You can't call your mother. So it's up to you to stay alive now and go and fight for your life. So, first of all, you must be scared and hungry. So, find yourself some weapon, find some food, make a campfire, and go hunt some animals, and be careful and don't let them hunt you down. Well, so this is our project, this is our game. We are happy to bring something different from shooters. This demo will be on Steam tonight, I hope, or soon. Then we are gonna sell the full version, sell for good money. And we're going to make more games, a lot of games. So thank you for your attention. It was a great pleasure. Thanks. It was a great pleasure to be among you this weekend. I love you, and guys, don't forget that life is a great adventure, and I wish you to be always happy and always ready to anything that it brings to you. Thank you.
So, my first question is, so how much, like, as you used Unity, yeah? What was the platform?
Yeah, we used Unity. It's a game for HTC Vive.
Okay. So how much, how much models did you use and how much did you build it yourself?
We didn't any models, so we just used assets from an asset store. Due to, we've got only 48 hours.
Okay.
So, can you die here?
For now, not, but definitely yes.
So, okay, how long did you make this game? With this 48 hours from the scratch?
Right.
You made this game?
Right.
Well done.
Thanks. Thanks to my team.
Yeah, I think that you can stop now, yeah?
Come
So,
here.
yeah, may I see all the team now on the stage, running, and doing crazy stuff? Here is your diploma. Because we want to make a photo, please come here. Thank you. So definitely fitness games are great, yeah. After you have spent 48 hours on the share and coding it. But this was it, this was the 10 team. So now we do break and we will be back here 7:15 after half hours and Shuri will tell who are the winners. Thank you, so let's see after 5 hours. Woo! So please finish your champagne or whatever drink you have, and be silent now, everybody in the back, and move here, or we will just can't start the show, you know. Everybody, please move back here and be silent. So because we have announcement about the winners. Are you guys ready for the winners? I hope so. But before we jump into that, I think that let's once more have a big hand for our great partners, starting from Estonian Development Corporation. Thank you. Woo! And I think that every event, you know, like to make those events useful, so you can learn new stuff, so you can really move out of your comfort zone, make things what you have not made before. You need a help. Okay, first help is that people, if you not be silent, I will not follow on. So, and if we make those events, we really are focusing so that you can get the best help possible from practical people who really know how to build the stuff. So that's why I want to see all of the mentors now. Please come to the stage, because I think that we have to give a big hand for everyone. All mentors, please come to the stage. Is it all of them? So first of all, we will give you now diplomas, but second of all, everybody give a big hand for our mentors. Woo! And you know, the good news is that, you know those people now, which means that actually, I will give you the secret, you can still use their help even after the event. This is totally up to you. So keep asking help, and believe me, if you're great, then they will help you. Thank you, all of our mentors. Woo! So, and I think that, you know, the making those events, it just takes like huge energy. Because it's not like you think that you will just show up and everything working, you know. In that sense, let's have a big hand for the Terminal 42 and also Karina and Sergei. Karina and Sergei. Karina, come here, come on. Because so these people really, really like, you know, helped that this event can, you know, happen. Because there has been our local people who really worked hard to make it happen. So come on, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you. But before I jump into the winners, there is still things to say. So, about Garage48. So I'm just, you know, like very happy to just show up here, you know, hold microphone and, you know, tell what I want to do, you know, or tell what I want to tell. But there is like actually team behind in Garage48 who basically works like truly like not even 48 hours, because it takes like 2 months or 3 months to make those things happen. And I think that they are the truly magic people who make our events happen. So that's why I wanna like give the biggest hands ever for the very two special person from Estonia, who has been from Garage48 organizing this event, making sure that we can do it. So let's make a big hand for the Merka and Susanna. Woo! Susanne. And come on, like these two persons, by the way, these two persons, they are actually Garage48. They are people who have worked really hard to make those events back in Odessa. So this is two magical people, you know, just smallest team ever, but the most effective. Thank you. Do you want to know who's the winners now? No? Okay. No, this is not the place. I'm not the winner. So the good news is at first, like, so we had Friday 19 ideas. I still hope that all 70 people who showed up is still here. Out of 19, 10 teams started. And we had long discussion, like who should be the winner. I believe that we saw so many great things. The challenge in that area where we are now is that it's close to impossible to make big progress in 48 hours. But we saw so many things which, that had challenges, who were suffered and so on. Some of them didn't show the end product on the stage, but they still made a huge step. So in that sense, come on guys, we will, yes, announce some winners now. But we can't predict the future. So it's in your hands who will be the real winner after months, 2, 3, and so on. So in that sense, please just understand that many times jury has failed totally to understand who is the real winner. So it's all up to you who will actually build company, who will move up, and so on. But we have some winners to announce. And the first winner, which will be favorite of the audience, have some very special prize. First, there is some stuff here, but I have to open my magic bag directly from Estonia. I think it's the coolest prize ever. It has been almost gold level prize like last 40 years. This is the most famous thing from Estonia. This is Old Tallinn. So this is, you will only give this to the special friends. It is 40 degrees. You have to really drink it in gold. So I don't know, it's too hot now, but so, and if you drink it with the people, they will be even better friends. So, especially from Estonia, very special thing. So, and some boxes, you can't be drunk from that, but at least say cool stuff. So, and the favorite audience who can immediately start celebration with so cool stuff and drink is, interesting. VR Ideas! Woo! Come here! VR Ideas, you are the first real winner. Please. So, and actually girls are loving that because it's sweet. So this is your diploma. And yeah, I will give you those things from the bag. So there are 3 of them, so you have to really decide who is using them and how. Come on, let's have a big hand for the favorite of the audience. Woo! Thank you. So, but we have more winners. Next, I will wait here for the, who will tell us the special prize is Yaroslav. This is you, I hope so. Let me see, I think that this microphone is for you, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, guys. I know, I couldn't say in a long time, so I will tell short. I think it's a great event. I want to say thanks for the organizers and sponsors of Garage48. And I saw all your apps. It's cool. It's really cool, guys. But I have only one prize. So it will be for the win for the team War Room. Guys, come on. Yeah. Guys, first of all, it's a special prize for you from the Garage48. Here we go. And the tickets for the conference Get IT, it will be on the 2nd September on this year. It's for the Unity game developers and not at all. So here you go.
Woo! Please smile to the camera, because that's your time now.
You're welcome, guys.
And thank you. Woo! Okay, so now second runner-up. And Sergey is telling who is second runner-up. Lots of stuff now. I think that these goodie bags has something in, but you will tell it.
Yes. Yeah, I have a diploma in it. So that's the prize for second runner-up. And actually, we have really a lot. I guess that's cool stuff. And okay, so what's in it? First, the special prize for Terminal 42. What we have, we can give away. We provide 1 month's residency for whole team for the winner of second prize or second runner-up. It's a third place actually, and an additional prize for from our partners. That's the one ticket to VR chair attraction. And who's gonna receive it? Well, okay, guys, I know you live in Odessa, so I guess both our prizes will be useful for us, or for you, and you will be useful for us, by the way, as a member of our community, and so on, so on. So the things goes to Landscape AR. Woo! The whole team, yeah. So, first of all, this is the diploma. This is the ticket,
And
and
come to the-
this is the bag with our souvenirs, and there is, actually, I guess, yeah, and there is our member card inside each thing. And do you have? I guess you will need 2 more friends as a member of team. Okay, thank you.
Woo! Great, thanks. So I think that this team, like if jury discussed, they really like that this is something practical. There is B2B solution, which is always great, that there is potential to make money. But now Maxim is coming here and taking microphone from Sergey, and he will tell who is the first runner-up and why this team was great.
Yeah, I have this very nice BMW package with, yeah, but that's not all for you. There are also 4 VR boxes and the ride on the VR chair. So I suppose it's really cool. Yeah, and I wanted to give to some teams that, on my own opinion, best fits the spirit of the hackathon. So you come on Friday, you have some idea, you don't sleep, you drink a lot of Red Bull, and you do some stuff. So it's me in VR.
And again, come here, let's make a photo. I hope that you are happy or something. So, and come on guys, let's have a big hand for the first runner-up. Woo! Okay, so next. So we have still, yeah, we have still like at least something to tell. Do you want to know who is the winner now or not? No, we just just finish and let's the next slide, yeah. Do you want to know who is the winner? Okay, I think that the cool rock star from Estonia will help out Peter, come here. Yeah. But actually, he's a real guitar player, so maybe you can do some.
Oh
like,
yeah.
Maybe
Some air guitar.
Yeah, maybe you just do this like air guitar now, yeah?
Okay, cool. So I'm honored to give out the first prize, and a little bit about the prizes. We have hoverboard. Nice, yeah? This is from a really good friend of Garage48 called Gelastic. So thank you, Gelastic and Levira. Now we have actually some more prizes. A day with this chair, really awesome. One moment. And tickets for 2017 conference, Get It. This is a game conference. So, about the team. We really loved that team. They had a huge potential. Everything their mentors told them, they actually listened to us. They did whatever we wanted them to do. And they actually sweated a lot. Literally, they had a huge amount of sweat in their clothes. So...
What do you think, like, are they still teachable? Maybe they come and do some push-ups here, yeah?
I think they could do some really good push-ups because the one of the guys were really in a good shape. So, okay. Do you know who the winner is? No Man's Island!
Woo!
Look at that guy, come on!
Yes, and who are both. Come on, didn't have more people in the team?
Yeah, actually two, but they're something go. They're on the No Man Island.
Okay, come on, let's have a big hand for the overall winner! Woo! Thank you, guys. It was definitely very fun presentation. But you know, everybody, you can also have fun now because you have to clean it up. So you can have your physical exercise. Please don't leave the venue without cleaning up. But most importantly, after this one, if you're really up to building something real, decide what happens next with your team. And Karina, maybe you want to go and tell your practical advice how to build company after event. No? Maybe you want to share some failures? No? Come on, like you can come here and just tell because like she was part of the team and you have been going through. So what is your view? What is the most important things after the event now? Just share, come on, like.
Okay, I wasn't prepared for that speech, so I will try. When we had Garage48 in Odessa for the first time, I was a participant, and we won the first place. We were the winners, and the part of my team isn't here, but the second part of my team is still here. And what should I say? The ideas are worth nothing. It's really so. When you have the idea, you must have energy in yourself to go forward. And when you have this potential to go forward, please do not hesitate to ask mentors for help and go forward if you want it. If you feel that you don't have this potential and you just close this app, close this project and go to another one. Do not blame you for failures and something else. So I wish that all the project that has prototype that built prototype here will be successful. And if
move to Estonia and basically build your team also in Estonia, help is around, just ask it. And also, if you like the event, so there's like some other cool events happening. Many people are here from Kiev, so we will come back to Kiev in the autumn. We will also go to the Kharkiv in the, I don't even know, maybe November, December. Huh? Winter, yeah, like whatever is winter, you know, so basically. So we will keep coming back. But the cool stuff is also that if you can go to some other country, because then you can see so many different ideas, so you can see so many things and expand your network and expand your experience. So just join our Facebook group, join and follow what we are doing, because this thing is happening in so many countries. And usually, one of the most exciting things if you will attend in events in other countries. And if you're active, we have even done events that we are handpicking some people who is attending in events like we had last year in Lebanon, when we basically was choosing people which we covered even, like, you know, which we covered expenses to go. So be active and never know. Maybe we will use more events like those. And the last question is, did you enjoy the event? So then, never know, maybe we will come back. Thank you, and now is the time for the party. Woo! And enjoy the beer what we have here, okay? Thanks.